Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how I made that delicious akara. Making it, I just used 2 cups of beans as you are seeing it there. I'm going to soak it inside water for 2 hours. I'm going to do that for 2 hours. Why am I doing it like that? Because if I do it like that, it will help my blender to peel the back of the beans easily. So let's go there and see how I made that delicious akara. So this is my beans after soaking it for 2 hours. You can see how the beans increase. So now I'm going to use my blender to blend it. This is what I use to peel my beans easily. This method works for me, so I wish you can try it. This method will work for you easily. You can't even waste time peeling your beans. So watch me and see how I peel my beans with my blender.
Melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I can see you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던.
See how my beans look after washing it. So it's easy for me. Using blender to peel your beans is so easy. It will make the job easy for you. This is my onions and also my scotch bonnet. I'm going to use both of them to blend the beans. So now I'm going to be adding my beans inside the blender. I will add the quantity that I need to blend now. After adding my beans, I'm going to also add my pepper. After adding pepper, I'm going to add my onions. After adding both of them, I'm going to add my water. You have to be careful here. Adding your water, you just need little water to add, because when you add too much of water, the beans will not form well. So be careful when you are adding your water. So as you can see, because I added small water, see how I'm pushing my blender. I'm doing it like this to help my blender to blend it well. So you don't need too much water. Just be doing it like this and the beans will blend easily.
Because I'm empty in my heart to you. Everything is so right. 서로가 마주하는 이곳. We've been waiting for a love like this, my love. Yeah, now. Oh, no, no.
So I'm going to be adding my oil. Frying akara, you need a lot of oil to fry akara. So watch me and see how I add my vegetable oil.
봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보며 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You were just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart. 이 맘 전하고 싶어. When you ring my valentine. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I can see you through a little far away. 내게로 가서 melt your heart. 조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래. 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star. 서로 바라보는 이곳. I'll be always by your side. Sunny day you make my dream come true. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 비추고. With you by my side. 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳. I've been waiting for a love like this. So 기분 좋은 바람 불어와. 행복한 너 그리고 나 우릴 감싸고. With you by my side. 지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는 지금. I can see you through a little far away. 이게 철이 지난데도 내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게. 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야. You will always be my everything to me. Because I'm here to give my heart to you. Yeah. Saram dum dum dum, saram dum dum da 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 da.